I'm Scott. I'm here to interview my favourite player, Séamus Coleman.
Almost needing no introduction, Séamus Coleman has been the Ireland captain since 2016 and was made captain of Everton only 3 years later. But is the decorated veteran ready for some of Scott's questions?
You're the captain of the Irish national team. When did you first start playing with St. Catherine's FC?
When I was very young, probably maybe 5, 6 years of age, and started playing then, and played with them until I was about 17, but really enjoyed it.
Who was your favourite player growing up?
Roy Keane and Damien Duff, two very good Ireland players.
Most famous goal you ever scored?
Favourite goal I ever scored was probably my first goal for my country. That was a big goal for us at the time.
And the cutback, but he's still in there. And it's in, Coleman has scored! All his own work. And his first goal for Ireland.
Best memory in an Everton shirt?
I think probably just making my debut. That was like a massive moment for me and my family, and one that I was very happy with.
Now, even though he calls Everton home, he's never forgotten his roots, as on display here when he returned to Ireland to play a match against Sligo Rovers. Well, today is an extra special day as Séamus' very first club, St. Catherine FC, has come out in full support.
Coleman's the best. He's a very kind person and he's just very good at football, and he deserves it all.
One time he came and coached us. He's really nice. He's like a good role model, I think.
Here's our boys all here today to support Jimmy, and they all see him as a great icon.
So we play for St. Catherine's that he used to play for, and hopefully we can play for like a professional Premier League team one day.
It's my first club, and very proud to have played for St. Catherine's.
I just kind of screamed his name and he came over and signed my jersey.
The support from home has always been amazing, and I really appreciate it, you know.